kupata nafasi ya
Thiku imwe mbere ya gucokereria kwa mirurungano ya ngwataniro ya Azimio thiku ithatu kirumaniririo kiama kia arutani ya secondary gia KUPPET nigiukiriire mirurungano ino gikiuga arutwo ni maraherithika kimeciria undumwe na guthararia mihang'o ya mathomo.
As a union, we are not happy. The manner in which the political class is managing the political discourse. We expected politicians not to be violent.
Makiaria mari guku Nairobi matongoretio ni mwandiki munene wa kiama giki AKELO MISORI ni maugite matingihota gutara hathara iria mathukuru maratungio kurumirira mirurungano ino kuona mihang'o ya mathomo no gutharara iratharara.
Psychologically, you cannot quantify the amount of loss. It is massive. The impact of what is happening is going to reflect in generations to come.
Giko kia ica ikuhi ari gutharara kwa mathomo thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Kihumbu-ini mwena wa Kangemi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi kuria makiria ma arutwo 50 mahanyukirio thibitari thutha wao kuhurwo na riera ria kuruta maithori undu uria wacungiriirie githagathago na gutharara kwa mathomo.
The police choose to go and throw tear gas even if criminals had gone to the school. We cannot tolerate this because it has made the life of our learners, the life of teachers, unbearable because we are the ones who are found in this crossfire.
Oho ni mokiriire maabitha borithi ni kiria maugite ni marahuthira hinya mukiruku kuona andu aingi ni matigitwo na nguraro njuru guku angi magite mioyo yao. KUPPET ni yuritie President William Ruto na mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga maunanire NJUNG'WA niguo kurehe kihonia gia gutura na gutigirira bururi wina thayo.
Yes, we know very well sometimes we use strikes as a tool of last resort. But we encourage what we call social dialogue. I wonder why the political class cannot engage to this extent. And even what we are avoiding now to engage in is finally what can bring order.
Ihinda-inĩ riu ni mokiriire kamiti ya kurumbuia mishara ya aruti a wira thirikari SRC hamwe na kamiti ya kwandika arutani TSC ni kwaga kuhingia kiraniro kia president kia nyongerera ya mishara yao na gicunji gia 10% kiria merirwo gukinyanirio mweri uyu.
But there has been a delay because of the procrastination nature of the Salaries and Remuneration Commission and the TSC going round, which I've mentioned in circles.
Ni maugite kurumirira mucemanio ria mathaganitie wa mathaa 5 na president mweri-ini wa gatano mwaka uyu ufatie guciara matunda no ti gutwarwo githiururi-ini SRC na TSC hatari na umithio.
The president was very clear that on this matter of between 7 and 10% there is not supposed to be delay. The salary is supposed to be this month.
Hado-ini ha Kameme TV jitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.